Now in today's cook, we're going to be using Blanco from Meat Church, as well as the red all-purpose seasoning from Hardcore Carnivore. But you see, we're going to be doing things a little bit different than last time. I have some roasted herb and garlic mixture, as well as some injectable butter that we are going to be injecting these two birds with. It is a bright and Saturday morning, hence why I sound like this. Now we're only going to inject one of these on camera, but I do have a second one that's right over here. But honestly, all we want to do is come in here, inject the legs, inject the breast, inject the thighs. We want this to be as delectable as humanly possible. Now you see, I tend to let my chicken get a little bit warmer, and that is where this injection comes into play. You see, the dark meat can absolutely handle some heckin' temperature, but the white meat, not so much. I mean, you know, here's the thing about it, is it makes a lot of sense. There's a lot of fat in the dark meat, so it's one of those things that it should be able to take the temperature. And Lord, if you've never had chicken thighs, oh my God, chicken thighs up to like 205 do about, I'd say, like, I can make another video on it, but excuse me, what you want to do is you do it 225 on smoking temp, and then as you're going through there, you get closer to that last little bit, turn it up to 350 on your grill. That way the skin crisp up. Oh my God, it is amazing. I love chicken thighs that are taken to temp. Oh my God, just sitting here thinking about chicken is making me hungry. Now, you can keep, if you want to, you can keep hearts and gizzards and all that in there if you would like. Now, I like to come in here and do this just to make sure that we're all copacetic and good to go. This should be about all that you need as far as injection goes. You really just want to protect this breast up here because it will absolutely dry out on you. It will dry out on you if you try to take it too terribly, up there in temp. But with this added injection, you are pretty safe to take it up to the 205 to, ish area. I like to take it to about 200 to 205 personally. Now, some of this may make it into the cavity, which is perfectly fine. Oh, last little bit of injection, and then we'll save the rest for the next burb. But I just want to come in here, want to make sure that we at least get a little bit on this bottom side. Don't be trying to take my Vault 645 shirt with me. Oh, come on. Nope. Why you gotta do that to me? Why you gotta be like that? Come on. This is one thing I like about chicken. It gives you a little holder. Right here, it's just a nice little holding spot. Come in here, just make sure everything on the back side is good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll get right down this line. There we go. There we go. But hopefully you're having a great and wonderful day out there in the wasteland with season 22 being out. New building update and everything. Oh my God, it's been so amazing. Now, I like to do the bottom side first as far as it goes with seasoning, because we're not going to be seeing this. Let me get this out of the way. This is pretty much just going to be just there, It's going to be sitting on this, so I do like to do a little bit on here. And one thing I will do as well, because some of this will come off. Some of it will come off. But what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of seasoning on the bottom. That way it helps it just sit right in there. And this is not the presentable side, so you don't really have to worry about making sure everything is so absolutely pretty. But so what I was talking about doing, just do this right here. Just add a little bit of seasoning. Move the burb around so you don't get your wife's kitchen countertop all like nastified with chicken juices and stuff like that. But yeah, this is all we're going to do. Now you can tuck the wings in if you'd like. I do not tuck the wings in, and I like to give it a little bit of a heavy coat of seasoning. Now this is going to be sitting in here for about 24 hours, seasoned up and ready to go. Now I do like to drop a little bit of seasoning into the cavity. Now, like I said, you can keep the heart, the liver, and stuff like that. You can do that. I tend to, you know, use that for like cat treats and stuff like that personally. But honestly, gizzards and stuff like that, absolutely wonderful. I got no problem with it. I grew up in the South, so being able to eat gizzards and stuff like that is a common thing that my family likes to do. I don't know how your family is in regards to that, but yeah, it's a very simple prep. And this right here was $10 at Kroger. So you can get about, you know, a whole, like, let's see, you get breast, chicken thighs, wings. You get about maybe 2 to 4 days worth of food, depending on how you eat it. Like breakfast, lunch, and dinner for about 10 bucks. That's not bad at all, especially when you're trying to meal prep or if your wife gets told that she needs to go on a keto diet, because we are trying to have a kid. So her doctor's like, try a keto diet. That'll probably help out a little bit, you know, lose a little bit of weight. But my God, this is looking absolutely amazing. Like I said, we're going to sit this in for 24 hours, let it go. It is now very early in the morning and I have not had my coffee yet. So I wanted to get this done, then have my coffee and get ready to play some Fallout 76. Now the chicken has been sitting in the fridge for about 24 hours and it is time to throw it onto the smoker before we get it in and test out this Robin Hood bow build in Fallout 76. My Lanta, this stuff is looking absolutely amazing. Let me just show you something real quick. You're not gonna really be able to see it too well, but oh my Lanta, that is looking absolutely wonderful. And we're just gonna set these right here on this grill. Oh my God, I cannot wait to see what these taste like later. I can see a little bit of juice in the bottom of the bowl. Let's go. Oh my. The cats are probably gonna be sitting here like, Gassy, now you got all this chicken and I have a mouth of where I like chicken. So if you want to give me some of that chicken, I will absolutely positively take it. But yeah, that is what we're rocking with right now. Like I always say, the 18 inches wide isn't that bad. You definitely run out of little bit of room, but I'll probably move this around that way. This actually is more, let me put it about right here, then let's move this one. Yeah, that way if any heat does come over here, then we'll absolutely have the breast and the thickest point of the chicken ready to take that heat. But yeah, we're gonna let it sit here for the next few hours, come back, check on it during the middle of the stream. It'll take about 4 to 5 hours. We're using pecan wood. We're setting at 225, and now it's time to go play some Fallout 76 and have a little bit of fun in the wasteland sun. Now it's been about 3 hours and it's time to check in on this chicken. Let's see how this is looking. Oh my Lanta, this is looking amazing. And ever since I got a smoker, the wife and I are eating a lot of smoked meat, and this is going to be absolutely wonderful, whether we want to slice some up. But I'm going to be real with you, it's probably all going to be pulled chicken. That way we can make some chicken salad or pretty much whatever we want to. Some maybe barbecue pulled chicken sandwiches through the week with keto bread. But my Lanta, I'm going to put this back. I'm going to set it up to 250, let it roll. But yeah, great that we didn't have to cut any grass this weekend. It didn't really rain in Georgia. It did last night, but hey, that means that I didn't really have to do much yard work this weekend, and the grass still looks absolutely wonderful. But let's go back inside, have a little bit more fun on stream with the bow build. I still can't believe that's viable, but y'all sit back, relax, and we'll check in when it's time to pull this chicken off. Now y'all, it is time to take this chicken out, and we just got a temp on it at 195.
And oh my God, it's looking absolutely amazing. I mean, look at that color change from just a few hours. Oh my, we bumped it up to 275 for the past hour. And as you can see, this chicken is looking absolutely wonderful. Now, what we are going to be doing for this is we're going to be, let me get where the camera is not like, oh my God, it's so bright. So what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be putting it into this container right here. That way we can pull this chicken here in just a little bit. Let's get a little bit to the side right there. But yeah, my God, it's looking absolutely amazing. And y'all, I don't know if you can see this, but let me get this picked up just a little bit on this side. Now, come here a second. Now, this little section right here, you can just see the juice dripping down. But yeah, we're gonna let this sit. We're gonna let it rest for about 30 minutes. That way the juices can make sure to distribute around the meat. And yeah, then we're just going to pull it. But oh my God, I already want to just take a small little piece. Can I get just a small little, no. It's tasting so daggone good. Apparently, Linda Lee is like, hey, you dropped some juices, so let me just go ahead and take care of that for you. Yeah, as you can tell, I've got some cat toys and stuff on the back porch because, yes, the kittens have been having some fun back here. But yeah, this is looking absolutely wonderful, and I can't wait to see how this fully tastes, because just this small little piece right here, oh my God, look, I don't know if you can see, like, oh my God, it's so juicy right there. But this, just a little piece, you know. Oh my God, oh my God, it tastes so daggone good. But yeah, I'm gonna see how this is in about 30-40 minutes. Now friends, the time has come and the house smells like chicken, but it is time to go ahead and shred this chicken up. But I do want, oh my God, this is looking so daggum good. Okay, I gotta stop myself, but I can't stop myself because that chicken is very very good. Baby, you ain't gonna want none of this chicken.
I'm not.
Nope, it's terrible.
Terrible. I shouldn't have any.
Now here you go. You want some? It's a little warm. Oh, piece fell, Bonnie, or somebody's gonna like that one. Yeah, you probably don't want any of that, do you? Yeah, it's not good. Okay, that's one drumstick just absolutely destroyed. But the breast right here, my wife's walking away because she knows exactly what I'm going to do. But the breast right here is the part that can dry out the most. And it's the part, oh my God. Look at the juices. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, that's not going to be dry at all. Do you want some of this breast?
Yeah.
Too damn bad. Yeah. Oh, now you got Bonnie going. Now you got Bonnie going. Okay. Yeah. That injection and the skin still being on there. Oh my God. That is so daggum good. Now my middle dog is sitting here like, Dad, I want some of that. Look, for $10 per chicken, especially if you can get it on sale, dude, absolutely do it. I have not eaten anything all day just so I could enjoy this so much. And you know, honestly, it was a trim that I did with the prime rib, and I may have to start doing it because the food tastes so good. Just basically live on protein shakes the entire day. But y'all, seriously, $10 at your local store, you can get, you know, chicken legs, you can get everything processed as is. Me and mine, I genuinely love getting just whole chickens because it's so much cheaper, because there's not really much processing that goes into it outside of the cost of the chickens themselves and such, and bagging it up. But chicken thighs, chicken breast, they're so daggum good. And the mixture of the Creole butter, the roasted herb and garlic, as well as the seasoning, oh my God. This is absolutely amazing. I don't know if you can really rightly see that right there, but it's just a liquid from the injection in the meat. It's still so in there. And look, if you wonder how this is, it just comes right off the bone. I am so excited. I'm going to be eating the hell out of some pulled chicken this week, but I'm going to get in here. I'm going to shred this up. Y'all, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to check this video out, and thank you so much to the channel members for the continued support. Y'all have a great, wonderful day out there in the wasteland. Peace. Love you.